Welcome to my channel. I'm here to introduce you to a practical and business-oriented course. This course is designed for beginners and Java developers who want to improve their skills from basic to advanced levels. It covers object-oriented programming, solid principles, testing, Spring Framework, Hibernate, and software security. With hands-on exercises and real-world projects, it prepares students for job interviews and the programming industry. This course has around 272,000 students and holds a 4.5-star rating, proving its success. The current price is approximately €20. By purchasing this course, you'll have lifetime access and benefit from future updates. The course duration is 126 hours, and upon completion, you'll receive a certificate. What you will learn: Java basics, including syntax and primitive data types. Programming fundamentals to help you understand any other language. Interview practice tests. Necessary knowledge to understand Android, Spring Framework, and Enterprise frameworks. JIT, Java Collections Framework. Functional programming in Java, Lambda functions and method references, and much more. Now, I want to provide you with free and completely legal access to this exciting course. Follow these simple steps. Subscribe to my channel and add this video to your watch list. Open your browser and search for discountedcourseinina.com on Google. Click on the correct link from the search results and ensure it directs you to discountedcourseinina.com. On the website, you can explore various course discount coupons. Use the search bar to find the desired course or browse different categories. Once you find the course, scroll down and click on Get the Coupon. The course will be available for free, but note that the coupon has a limited time. That's it. With just a few clicks, you can access this free and legal course. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, and share it with your friends.